Kirtland City Council decided tonight to delay a decision on whether to fire its police chief. Chief Lance Nasi faces more than a dozen allegations, including harassment and habitual drunkenness. News 5's Jesse Schultz explains Nasi's lawyer wants more time to review this case.
Kirtland City Council members agreed to postpone the termination hearing for Chief Lance Nasi, but only under the condition that Nasi's attorney and the city law director work this entire week to come to a mutual agreement for his resignation. And if not, then the termination hearing will go forward. Kirtland Police Chief Lance Nasi let his attorney, Frank Consolo, do the talking Monday night.
Our concern is that Chief Nasi's due process rights and his rights to a fair hearing and a fair defense have been compromised.
Asking City Council for the chance to investigate the charges against his client before they vote on whether to terminate him.
There are allegations of various individuals who have claims against my client, and I do want to have the opportunity to have those individuals specifically identified to me.
And there are more than a dozen allegations against him. Kirtland Mayor Kevin Potter says a 3-month investigation found Nasi operated a city vehicle while under the influence of alcohol, made frequent inappropriate comments toward employees based on race, color, or sex, deleted records, and misused a city-issued phone and lied about it. Nasi's attorney argued the accusations all come from the police union, claiming they want Nasi out.
The OPBA, as you saw in the charges, was intimately involved in bringing complaints against my client, Chief Nasi, for the sole purpose of now getting Sergeant Fisher to replace the chief.
Tom Austin, the executive director for the police union, called that accusation ridiculous.
My organization, the OPBA, and our members' organization reached out and said, you know, Mr. Nasi has a drinking problem.
Saying it was his duty to report the complaints to the mayor.
And if there's wrongdoing or something that we believe is wrong going on in this city, we have a duty to bring it forward. And that's exactly what we did.
Mayor Potter said all in all, he's ready for the city to move on without Nasi leading the department.
The city is ready for a new chapter. This department's ready for a new chapter. They deserve it. A lot of good men and women over there.
While the city and Nasi work to come up with a mutual resignation agreement, council voted to suspend Nasi for 30 days without pay while it all gets worked out. We'll continue to follow up. Reporting in Kirtland, Jesse Schultz, News 5.